This video you're about to watch is actually a re-upload from a couple months ago. I've never re-uploaded a video before, so this will be the first one. I don't think a lot of people have seen it, and I think it's worthy of being seen. I'm not exactly sure myself what we're seeing here, but we're seeing something, and you see the helicopter fly over me, and I'm able to predict what happens next. I mean, I'm not sure if that was a police helicopter or a private helicopter, and someone called the cops to add to the street theater effect, or the police gang stalking program set it up like this. But something's going on here. My language is a little vulgar in this video, and I'm a little too excited, a little overly excited. But when you're being stalked like this, and when you're able to predict it, you might tend to get a little overly excited. So witness the gang stalking program on display. What is this? Look at this. Yeah. I don't know what kind of helicopter that is. You see though. What a weird line he's flying on now, eh? Yeah, that's a car. I can see the infrared light on it in the front there. Cool. Because I'm buying school, right? And all the kids are going to school. Because I'm a threat to the community, apparently. So if I'm by a school, they could let me know I'm being watched. I'm expecting to see a cop now or something. I'm expecting to see a cop. We'll see. Again, I'm expecting to see a cop now. Let's see here. I should probably wait at the end of the cul-de-sac here and for the cop to come. Where's that thing? There it is. Yeah, I didn't think it was a police helicopter, but it is now. News helicopters don't have those big infrared cameras, do they? I know what it is. When all those cars rolled in there, I'm not saying that's gang stalking, right? But it's just weird, like funny coincidence. That probably is a coincidence. Look at this. Now, is there someone in this van? That is the question. See? Doesn't look like it. Someone's just going for a walk. Hmm? Yeah. Nothing. Where's the cop? Look at him. He just flew like that over here, and then there he is right there. He did like an L shape. He's probably watching me from here. Let's see. Probably gonna see a cop or something drive by here. My guess. It's gone, eh? Oh, someone did just get in there, eh? Oh, that's weird. Where'd they come from? Chopper's gone, eh? He's gone. What a weird angle to drive, eh? Or to fly. Go just right above my head pretty much, and then just do an L shape and then go down there, eh? I'm gonna stand here for 5 minutes and see if I can get a cop. Is that it there? Is that it? I think it is. Like, it is, I believe. I hit that. I believe that is a cop. Now I gotta go down there and look. Fuck. Wait. It is a cop. I told you. Fuck. I told you. There it is right there. You see right there. Bang. Cop. He's gonna drive down here too. Oh no. No, he's not. But that is a cop. What'd I say, man? What did I say? Because I want. Do you want to know how I knew that? Look, there's a cop right there. Look at him. I told you he was gonna fucking drive down here. There he is right there. See? Here he comes. Probably. There he is. What else more do you need to see, guys? Is that enough proof for you? Look, that I'm able to predict that? See? Right there. I fucking told you. Look. I told you. What'd I say, man? He'd come down this fuck. I said I was gonna sit there, and he was gonna come down here. That's why I stood there, because I knew that's what I was gonna see right there. See that shit? Wow, eh? Ah, good, still recording. 100% gang stalked. That's not a coincidence, man. I just exposed it again. That's why the helicopter, as soon as the helicopter flew above my head, I knew they were going to send a cop down here. Because I'm by a school, and I've been told that I'm a threat to the community. And it's all bullshit. I've never done anything. Wow. There he is. Yeah. 100% gang stalked. Is that proof though? Because to me that's proof, because I'm able to predict that, right? Because you see the helicopter go pretty much right above my head, and I'm like, watch, I'll walk down the street here, I'll sit at the end of the street, and you're gonna see a cop come down here within 5 minutes, and it happened within 2 minutes. Funny, huh? Isn't that funny? These people are sick, man. There he is right there again. He's watching me. Should I wave at him? Oh, now he's coming in here. See, he's like stalking me. He's stalking me, man. Oh, he's going to come in here, eh? Watch, he's probably going to pull around here now. Look at him. Oh, someone's getting out of the car. Oh, that's probably a gag stalker right there. He's probably talking to one of the neighborhood watch here. I'm going to go get this. Look at this. These are like neighborhood block watch. He's like reporting in or something. Stasi, man. Oh, there's another cop. Look, another cop. Another one, eh? Because I'm walking by a school, right? And I've been deemed a threat to the community, and I've done nothing. Even he gives a hand signal. See that? Probably the dog walker there, the one I saw earlier. Yeah. That's the dog walker I saw earlier. She's keeping an eye on me, man. That's why I give the hand signal to her. I'm gonna see if I can get this guy to talk to me. See how much video camera I got. Still going. Look at him. I'm gonna get a good look at this guy. I know exactly what the hell they're doing, man. hilarious, man. Okay, he said he doesn't look at me now. If he wasn't suspicious, if like he came here not because of me, he would have stared at me when he drove by there, right? He would have stared at me. He stared at me here, he saw me, and then he drove by here, and he didn't stare at me because he's here for me. He knows who it is. Sick, eh? One later, hold it caught through the bush. So when I pop out here, you're probably gonna see another one. See, it's still recorded. Can't believe these things are still going. There it is. See, I told you as soon as I walked out here you would see it. And there it is. There he was on his phone right there. Because he saw me, I told you. Fuck.